Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see story archive in Facebook. So you have to just open the Facebook app on the Android device or iOS. These solutions is work for both. So you have to first of all you have to open the Facebook app. So you have to go to the profile icon on the top right and you have to scroll down to find settings, and there is, when open the settings and privacy, you have to scroll down. In the end you will see the activity log, so you have to click activity log. So there is the archive, you can see you have to click on archive. So there you will be see your archive story. If you turn it on the archive, so these all the features archive. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.